Most people think that building a website for their body piercing shop is going to be complicated and it's going to be expensive as well. Today, I'm going to be showing you that's definitely not the case. You can build a simple and affordable website on the Marty Sites platform for your body piercing shop. Now, if you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much have built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in to start it. So make sure you click on the link below this video to get started with that 7-day free trial. Now, once you've joined the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your business markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week as well. Let's head to the top and search for our market, body piercing shop. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from. You can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Marty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for your business and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. Well, now I'm going to go ahead and close it off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're also completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of the various piercings you have done on customers. You want to showcase them on your website, the various piercings that you perhaps do. Maybe make one or two amendments to this content, like the pricing, or perhaps you don't offer all these piercing services. You want to change it up a bit. You can do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding. Be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this process. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and put in my contact details over here, my email address. I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number, that is click to call. And physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that physical location, that address, top left-hand corner, and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links, put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your Marty Sites website. Underneath update logo, if you have a business logo, head on over to the section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that little pencil over it. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo to fit into that section a little bit better. You can make your logo bigger and smaller to suit your needs. If you'd like to change the colors used throughout your Marty Sites website, go ahead and click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. You don't need to know any color coding whatsoever. Just go through the various color palette options and choose one that suits your business best. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your own business, click on the white button directly underneath that section. Underneath update images, where you can browse your device and upload your own images, or search through the photo library. We've got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram accounts and pull in those photos if you have an Instagram account for your business. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they're linked to. You can even upload a PDF file. And the last section at the bottom is where you can put in your opening hours for your body piercing shop. Click on update hours, put in the various hours for each day, and then click on save hours. The page will automatically reload after saving and display your opening hours over here for your customers' convenience. Now, domains are really easy as well. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it at the bottom by clicking on that button. If you don't have a custom domain, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, go ahead and click on that button as well. You actually have the option to connect your connect your purchase a custom domain via the Multi-Sites platform as well. If you don't have one already, it's that simple. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on the Multi-Sites platform for your body piercing shop. And I'm really wishing you and your business, Marty, success.